morning everyone. So today we are going to see a topic on role of AI in vehicle dynamics in a DT based manner. So Sandy.
Okay, so role of AI in vehicle dynamics is one of the crucial things because vehicle dynamics is a very old topic, right? We usually see three types of dynamics like lateral dynamics, longitudinal dynamics, and the vertical dynamics. Okay, so in this competitive world or in this fast-moving world, it is necessary to make the vehicle more smarter. Okay, so to make the vehicle more smarter, in case of the dynamics, we need the role of the AI. Okay, so now, at present in many cars, in many bikes, this particular dynamics is done in a normal way without the interference of an AI. So if we make use of AI in the particular different dynamics, we can handle the real-time problems and give much more comfort to the driver and the passengers in the vehicle, and thereby increasing the ride comfort of the particular vehicle. Okay. So in this particular session, we are going to deal this particular topic not in a conventional way, but in a DT manner. Okay. So in DT, in the stages of DT, we are going to discuss we are going to empathize what are the problems that I faced in this particular manual mode, and we are going to define the problems, and then we are going to brainstorm what are the ideas that can be done in order to overcome the existing problem with the aid of an AI. Okay. So before going into this session, let us recap the things that we have seen in the previous class.
Hi guys, myself Janagram. I am going to say about the recent topic of retrofitting. Retrofitting means upgrading or modifying IC engine vehicle to electric vehicles. Like the IC engine vehicles, they normally run for more engine, fuel system, and then chassis. Only the converter to the IC engine to EV vehicles. Like remove the IC engine and fuel system, then you will replace it to the motor, electric motor and batteries.
Yes. So last class we have seen about the retrofitting process of converting the existing IC engine to the EVs, right? Okay. So I refer to the empathize the problems that have been faced by the drivers in the cars.
I'm here to empathize some part in vehicle dynamics. So we are facing a lot of issues in vehicle dynamics. First, I tell you some issues in this empathy part. First, handling and stability. In manual part, we are facing issues in handling and stability. If we get issues on handling, automatically the stability will also lower in the vehicle. And ride comfort, we need to experience a comfort on a vehicle to ride long period. If we lost the comfort, we cannot ride long period and we get some issues. And aerodynamics limitations, compared to higher vehicles, aerodynamics have limitations in low model vehicles. It can lead to low fuel efficiency and also lower the stability of vehicle in high speed. And tire wear, when we got unstable tire wear, it leads to unwanted stability or handling on a vehicle. And vibration, the high vibration we are getting from the vehicle, we can experience a lot of issues on ourselves, also in a vehicle. So if you got a vibration, automatically we got a noise on a vehicle. So noise also directly affect driver and passengers on a vehicle. And in the end, we have limitations in real-time monitoring of vehicle dynamics. It's like adjusting and monitoring lively on a vehicle to in the limitations.
Yes, Muthiah, could you define this particular problem?
So I will explain the different part. So using AI in this vehicle dynamics will enhance control, stability and performance. Like it will analyze the driving behavior of the driver and analyze the road environments and also the road conditions. It will analyze everything and the AI keeps learning everything. So it keeps on learning so that the car's control and the reaction time will be increased, and it can be it also becomes a smart and self-learning vehicle. So that's in my this is my point.
Okay, so now I invite you all to brainstorm and give some possible feasible solutions for implementing the AI into the vehicle dynamics.
Let us brainstorm this ideal part of the role of AI vehicles which is included in the vehicle dynamics. For that one, I am going to take a, I am going to tell an idea about we are getting stability under low control. For that, we introduce the AI for AI and machine learning for the to introduce and learn the system. For that, we are in the vehicle we are while riding on that. We are facing the stability problem. For that, we use AI and machine learning. For that, the sensors are fixed in the car. The sensors will sense the effect and the environmental factors, and it sends signals to the ECU control, and which is also integrated with the AI, which also using the predictive analysis of the impacts, and it initiate the suspension system or any other system for the better stability and comfort of the vehicle. And that AI makes the initiative in that part, and that we getting the comfort ride and vehicle dynamics, which improves the lot.
Yes, you can share about it.
For checking the vehicle's blind spot, we use the AI integrated camera to see the blind spots under the vehicles and engine components. And it's also used in the steering and lens components.
So there are many ways of introducing the AI into dynamics. Like in vertical dynamics, we can use this particular AI for improving the suspension travel, like in damping or by altering the suspension stiffness. And in longitudinal dynamics, we can implement to control the braking and acceleration according to the road condition or to the environment. And if take lateral dynamics, if you employ that, we could get a good steering system of the vehicle. So with the employment of the AI, we can produce some more and more feasible solutions to the practical problem related to the vehicle dynamics. Okay. So before ending the session, let us summarize the session.
Yeah, I'm going to summarize this session. In the first, we have seen about the recap of the session, that we retrofitting of how the IC engines converted into the electric using the normally, and also we have seen about the this role of AI with the dynamics, and we have discussed about the empathy part and define part, and also we have also introduced the ideal part, and we had a good session.
Yeah, we had a good session about the discussion of the role of AI in vehicle dynamics in the